This is the hall. My mommy is here videoing me. Anong sabi ko?
Sige na, you eat na.
Eat ka na yung taho. Sarap.
Sarap eh.
Sasad ba yan? Init ng taho. Diba? Anong tawag to? Ng white?
Soya. Soya, tapos yung brown sugar, and then sago, yung mga bilog.
This is, ano ulit?
Soya.
Soya, and this is sugar, and this is yung mga
Sago.
sago.
How much is that? 20 pesos.
Less 20 pesos lang.
20 pesos. So, mommy bought 4. 4 of it. 4 tahos. 20 pesos times 4 equals, so 20, 40, 60, 80. I paid 80 pesos to manong taho. Dapat when you're buying products or goods, you know how to add or multiply. So, you will know how much to pay.
Na ako?
Yes. When you pay, you have
Para
to...
mag-math ako?
Yes. When you pay, you have to know how much is your money. You have to know also how much is your change. Para hindi ka malugi.
Anong lugi?
Lugi is when you do not know that you deserve a change. Tapos hindi mo nakuha. Sayang yun. No playing.